baby, don't check for me. Taking time out to be and live my life off screen. Taking time out to be and live my life.
Hey guys, it's Sharika and welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe before you leave. Y'all, look what came in the mail. I ordered some new Nespresso pods. So let me show y'all the ones that I picked out. So the first one that I picked up was a part of the holiday collection. So this is the peppermint pinwheel. I love peppermint hot chocolate. So this should be pretty good. I got 2 boxes of that. And then I did the caramel cookie. Y'all see that? Caramel cookie. I think I got 2 boxes of the caramel cookie. Oh, I just got 1. And then I got 2 boxes of the Hazelino muffin. Hazelino? Yeah. Hazelino muffin. Oh yeah, so I got 1 box of this Hazelino, and I got 2 boxes of the caramel cookie. So I have tried the caramel cookie before, but I've never tried this one. So I'll let you guys know how that one is, and then the peppermint pinwheel. I'll probably have a cup of this in the morning, so excited to have these. Okay, y'all, so I made it back from the store, so I'm going to show you guys what I picked up really quick. Blueberries, mangoes, beets, avocado, squash, oranges, apples, creamer, baked crackers, wine, pineapple, and fresh juices. So I originally went to the store because I wanted to make some beet juice. Then I came across these here. So this isn't like the beet juice that I usually get. Y'all know I usually get the sweet beets. This one has pineapple, carrots, lime in the beets, and this one is not that sweet. It's really tart. It's not bad though, but it's really tart, and that lime and pineapple together is kind of giving me heartburn. I have some right here, so I'll probably let Tony drink this one, and I'll just make my sweet beets. And then I wanted to try this one. I think I tried this one before. I'm pretty sure I did. But this is the organic superfruit greens. And this one has orange, mango, pineapple, cucumber, spinach, romaine, and kale. So I wanted to try this one. And if I like it, then I'll make this one myself. This one is also a good one. This is the Green Devotion. Celery, cucumber, spinach, romaine, kale, lemon, and parsley. And then I think I had this one before, but I'm not too sure. It's Lemon Love, and it is the purified water, lemon, stevia, and cayenne pepper. So this one most likely is really spicy, but I'm gonna try it. And I picked up one of my favorite red wines, the Mayomi. I haven't had this one in a very long time, but I really like this wine. So yeah, that's all I picked up from the store. I'll probably make my beet juice tomorrow because I did pick up 2 of the regular sweet beets. But like I said, this one is a little too tangy for me. But Tony also liked beet juice, so he might like this. And I'll finish up this one. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and put this stuff away and hop in the shower. today is Wednesday and I didn't go to the gym this morning. It's pretty early. It's probably like 11 o'clock. I didn't go to the gym today because I had a nail appointment and I really didn't want to rush. And I know I had to do a review on this hair. So I ended up not going to the gym, but then I canceled my nail appointment because I was looking at my nails and I'm like, I can low-key go another week. So I canceled my appointment. Sorry, Louie. So right now I'm getting ready to go fix myself a cup of coffee. I told you guys that I wanted to try the peppermint coffee. If you guys have been following me for a while, y'all know that peppermint tea is one of my favorite teas, and I also love the peppermint hot chocolate. So I'm pretty sure I will love the coffee. So we're gonna go in the kitchen and we're gonna make this new peppermint coffee. And I also want to go to Big Lots. I know I told you guys that I didn't want to give you too much Christmassy content, but I am going to do my Christmas tree. But today is also early release and I think it's about 11 o'clock right now. So we're gonna go in the kitchen. Let me show y'all this dress that I'm wearing. One second. So this is the dress that I'm wearing. I got this dress from Boohoo probably like last year. It's like a ribbed material. Can y'all see that? I need to put on some Spanx, but can y'all see that? It's so cute. And it's very long. So I got this from Boohoo last year and I never wore it because we wasn't outside last year, okay? But I decided to put it on today and I wanted to wear this with like some tennis shoes. I thought that that would look really cute. I had ordered these Converses, these platform Converses. They're so cute. I ordered them from Saks Fifth and I got an email this morning saying that they canceled my order. I was so upset. But I have seen them in Nordstrom, so I might go to Nordstrom and pick them up and wear them with this dress. I think that'll look so cute. Just to dress it down. So cute. So yeah, that is the look. So let's go in the kitchen and fix some coffee. All right, y'all, so we're gonna try it. It's so good. I get a lot of questions about this cup. I'll have the link to this cup in the description box below. It's such a vibe. I have the short ones like this as well. But this is really good. I had somebody hit me up on Instagram yesterday and ask if the peppermint taste was like too much, but it's not. It's perfect. It's so good. So y'all, I've been stuck in the house all day because I wanted to go look at some Christmas decor. And then I wanted to go to Nordstrom's, but it's already 1:23. My son and his girlfriend just left. And I don't want to go to Big Lots and have to rush out. I like to take my time. So I don't know if I'm going to be able to do that today, which really sucks. But I watched two really good movies yesterday. The first one I watched because I do like horror movies. I watched the movie called You're Next. That was pretty good. And then last night we watched a movie called Every Breath You Take. That's a really good movie. I'm not gonna spoil it. Y'all need to watch that movie. It's really good. If you guys have watched it, y'all let me know in the comments section down below. It's really good. I'm just snacking on some tuna. And these gluten-free crackers that I bought yesterday are pretty good. Tony made some tuna. So that is my snack. All right, y'all. So I'm in the car and I have my kiddo and we're going to Big Lots. All right, y'all, we just made it back from Big Lots. And hold on, I know this is a weird angle, but they didn't really have like really pretty Christmas stuff in there like they used to the year before last. So tomorrow I'll definitely go to At Home and probably Hobby Lobby tomorrow. But we ended up just getting a bunch of junk, so I'm gonna show you what we picked up. Sour cream and onion chips. And then look at this. This is a giant box of Sour Patch Kids. So it actually have 12 boxes of Sour Patch Kids in here. This is for Tony's friend at school. They really like Sour Patches, so Tony wanted to get this for them. And then Tony ended up picking up this gummy pizza. Oh my gosh, look at it up close. That's crazy. And then, where's my, take this bit. And then I had to get this. I thought this was so cute. So we got 2 of those. And it's like a, what's the name of that candy? Nestle Crunch. You see how it looks in the back. So we got 2 of those, and then I had to get this. And look what it says on the back. The Perfect Man. That is so funny. So yeah, that's all we got from Big Lots. And we went to Wingstop. Tony already ate his food. And this, which is leaking, my Chinese food. Y'all, it's so good. It's the China Garden on San Pablo. So good. So I got this shrimp egg roll. I like to get regular steamed rice. I love when they put it in these little boxes like back in the day. It just brings back so many memories. So yeah, I got some steamed rice. And then this is the vegetables and shrimp. So bomb. The sauce that they cook it in, oh my gosh, it's so good. So this is how the food looks. So it has like broccoli, onions, I think snow peas, mushrooms, zucchini. It's just full of goodness. And then, you know, they only give you probably like 6 shrimp, but it's so good you don't even think about the shrimp. It's bomb. So I'm going to get cleaned up and eat my food. So that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok at IAMSHERIKAB, and I'll see you guys on the next one.
Don't take it, just don't.